It's my birthday month, so I went shopping and I only bought stuff that I know I'm gonna wear for a really long time, and these are absolute basics, and I did need to buy new basics because yet again it's because of the weight loss and everything, and I love basics from Zara. I think they do really good basics, especially like white shirt, their jeans, and a few t-shirts with interesting cutouts. So today's video is going to be a haul. I know you guys really enjoyed my previous haul, the workout wear one, and a lot of you actually found it helpful. If you guys haven't watched it, I'm gonna tag it in here. I think you'll see it somewhere here, and you can go watch that haul as well. And let me show you everything that I got. Here is everything that I got. I am so excited to unbox this. So the first thing here you see are the jewelry. I love this chain earring. It looks so nice. And I actually am so happy I got this chain metallic necklace. I've been eyeing them for so long and they're always sold out, and I love that it's double chains, so it would look really nice, especially with a white shirt like this. And it's actually even better than I thought it would be when I saw it online. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. Next we have this white poplin shirt. It is a very basic shirt and I was so excited to have it. I love the details on the waist. It's got elastic over there and it's got a nice detail in there. Next we have this t-shirt, and what I loved about this was firstly obviously the neck detail. I thought that was quite nice. I loved how basic this was, and also the color. I think it's a beautiful warm beige mauve color. I can't really describe this color, and looks brown in person and looks more pink on camera. I was very confused if I should get this or not. It was in my buy later pile for a really long time, and then I was like, you know what, let's just get it. Next I have another basic t-shirt. What I loved about this was again the cutout in the chest area. I think it looks really nice, keeps it interesting even though the top is really basic, and I love wearing black and white, as you can see. And I thought again I was in two mind if I should get this, and I just caved in and got it, and I'm so glad I did. Next we have this jeans. These are straight cut jeans and they're very 90s looking. This is their 90s full length in Dover blue jeans. I got it in the size 34. I have been eyeing this also for the longest time. I want to try more straight jeans rather than you know, skinny jeans. I think I'm very over them, and I also think that straight cut jeans are so much more comfortable. Next I also got this dress. It's a very simple plain straight dress, and the reason I got this is because it was 70% off. Then I also got this bandeau. It's their limited edition bandeau, and I always love wearing strappy tops like this, and I think bandeaus like this go so well with high-waisted skirts and high-waisted jeans or anything, and it's great to layer using pieces like this. Oh my god, I actually started shopping in Zara because of this piece. I saw Negan wear this mini skirt with a slit. I'm gonna put her picture right here. That's what inspired me to actually go to the Zara app, and that's how I started shopping, to be honest, and one thing led to the other. But I'm so happy with this mini skirt. I am so excited to style this. And lastly, I got a co-ord set. It comes with a top, and it also comes with a nice comfy pant, and this I just got because I think these are so comfortable to lounge in, and yeah, it just looked really comfy, and I loved the color, the khaki green. I don't have anything in this shade, and I can also wear this top as a top, right? And the pant separately, of course, but together also it goes really well. I wish I was traveling. If I were traveling anytime soon, soon, that would be my airport outfit. So that was everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short and quick haul. I really enjoy shopping from Zara, but I try to limit myself. I think this was my first purchase from their app. I always like to visit the store, especially when it comes to clothes, but obviously we're not doing that, and I also have not shopped as much. I'm really limiting my shopping, but I needed some basics that would fit me well. Plus it's my birthday month, so I think I'm allowed a little splurge here and there. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you're enjoying September as much as I'm enjoying creating them for you. There have been a few glitches here and there. I've had internet issues, upload issues, but it's going well nonetheless. And thank you so much for all your support. I think that just pushes me, to be honest. That is the only thing that is keeping me afloat. So thank you so much for that. And please stay tuned till the 26th. That's when my birthday is. That's when September ends, and that's when I'm going to tell you a secret that I have been dying to tell you. So please stay tuned, please subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!